Welcome back. I'm Andy. This is my wife Debbie. We're less work, more camping. Today she's going to use my smoker again and smoke some chicken.
Thighs.
I'll hand the reins over to her.
Hi everybody, I'm doing some chicken thighs. I used a nice spicy rub with some brown sugar and some cayenne and all. I'm going to take and smoke it for 45 minutes, and I'm going to baste it with some apple cider and some barbecue sauce. Let's get going. What you want to do is you got to do it skin up so that it doesn't burn or anything, I guess. I think this is going to be good. I'm going to make some macaroni and cheese and put that on the smoker for a little bit to go along with it. And we're going to have us a nice dinner. As we do on all of our videos, we're going to take a shot. And today we have some root beer moonshine. Enjoy, salute.
Ooh, good stuff.
Everybody, now it's time to baste. It's barbecue sauce, like I said, apple cider, and a little bit of water and some salt and pepper. Let's see how these look. Ooh, they're looking good.
Yes, they are.
And you have to baste this every 30 minutes until it gets up to temperature at 165. And then you have to let it rest for 15 minutes. This is really looking good. And I can say that because I'm the cook. If you leave some comments down, you can leave me what you want to see me do next on the smoker. How's that sound? I'll see you in about 30 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back for another basting, but first I have to move the chicken over to the left side so that I can put the macaroni and cheese on. And if Andy wants to show you that while I'm doing it, the mac and cheese is right there looking good.
Looking good. I could eat that right now. That chicken is looking great.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I might just put this under the broiler for a few minutes and crispen up the skin a little bit. We'll have to check it out when we get in there. On this goes. As Andy said, he could eat this right now.
Indeed I can.
And I've got a confession to make. I already have.
Yeah, she cheated. As always. Didn't tell me anything.
Alright, this is going to be on for about another 15-20 minutes. And it should be ready to sit for 15 minutes and time to eat. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the time's come for the big opening of our dinner. It's time to take the chicken off. Oh my goodness.
That is looking good.
Mac and cheese is looking awesome.
Yeah, I think we'll leave that in while we let the chicken rest for the 15 minutes to give it a
Oh,
little
look at
bit
that
more
juice
smoke.
coming out of there. Oh my goodness. I think I did good again this time. But it's going to be a mess cleaning it up.
It's always a mess.
Oh, they look really, really good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there is dinner. Now let it sit for 15 minutes, wrap it up, let it sit for 15 minutes, and we be ready to eat. Okay, dinner's done. As you can see, we're gonna make some plates up, and we're gonna sit down, and we're gonna chow out. Like I said, leave me some comments below what you want me to cook next. Like and subscribe on YouTube, and I will see you later. Thank you.